You're listening to the news at this hour on Africa Business Radio. BP has forecast lower oil prices for decades to come as governments speed up plans to cut carbon emission in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. The oil company has cut price forecast by about 30% and expects Brent crude to average $55 a barrel from now until 2050. As a result, the oil giant says it will downwardly revise the value of its assets by between $13 and $17.5 billion. BP says it will have to become a leaner, faster-moving and lower-cost organization. Last week, the firm announced plans to cut 10,000 jobs following a global slump in the demand for oil. Meanwhile, the price of crude oil has continued to fall after its first weekly drop since late April as a fresh coronavirus outbreak in China increases its cases elsewhere, added to concern a second wave of infections will threaten a nascent economic recovery. Futures in New York fell below $35 a barrel after closing 8.3% last week. West Texas Intermediate crude oil for July settlement fell 3.8% to $34.90 a barrel in New York. It has almost lost 12% since closing at a 3-month high on June the 10th. Brent for August delivery declined 2.7% to $37.69 on the ICE Futures Exchange after dropping by 8.4% last week. The contract was 98 cents cheaper than November futures, compared with 87 cents on Friday. And that's the news on Africa Business Radio. You can continue to listen live online at www.africabusinessradio.com or via our mobile app. Remember, stay safe.